How to BUY $SFI, Singularity Finance Token Crypto Coin. The Singularity Finance token, represented by the symbol SFI, is set to launch soon. Before we start, please note that this is not financial advice. I am not a professional financial or economic expert. Always conduct your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency or financial asset. Step 1. Understanding Singularity Finance token. Before purchasing SFI tokens, it's important to stay updated on its availability and relevant announcements. Ensure that you follow official sources for updates about this token. As per the latest information, the SFI token will be available on February 6th at 12 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. Make sure to be prepared and stay tuned for the official launch. Step 2. Creating an account on MEXC. To buy SFI tokens, you need to have an account on MEXC, MIXI Exchange. If you don't have one yet, follow these steps. Go to the MEXC website. Use the referral link in the description to sign up and earn potential rewards. Register for an account, provide the necessary details, including email and password. Verify your identity, complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) process if required. Deposit funds. Add funds to your MEXC wallet using your preferred payment method, crypto deposit, bank transfer, or credit/debit card. Step 3. Buying Singularity Finance Token, SFI. Once your account is ready and funded, follow these steps to buy SFI tokens. Log into your MEXC account. Go to the SFI trading pair page, e.g., SFI/USDT or SFI/BTC. Select your order type. Market order, buys instantly at the current market price. Limit order, buys at a specific price set by you. Enter the amount of SFI you want to buy. Check the total cost in USDT before confirming the trade. Click on Buy Singularity Finance to complete the purchase. Step 4. Storing your SFI tokens. After purchasing the SFI tokens, you need to decide where to store them. You can keep them on the exchange for trading or transfer them to a private wallet for security. Exchange wallet. Convenient for quick trades, but riskier due to potential exchange hacks. Software wallets. MetaMask, Trust Wallet. More secure and user-friendly. Hardware wallets. Ledger, Trezor. Best for long-term holding and security. Step 5. Staying updated on SFI token developments. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile, and projects often release important updates that could affect your investment. To stay informed, follow Singularity Finance's official social media accounts. Join their Telegram or Discord groups. Regularly check MEXC's announcements about SFI trading and withdrawals. Conclusion. That's a complete guide on how to buy Singularity Finance Token, SFI. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on crypto investments and new token launches. Stay tuned and happy trading!